Hi guys, welcome back, cryptocurrency market, and this time I'm following up on the Monero versus the Bitcoin. We've noticed that price, mostly the Bitcoin, is moving pretty nicely upwards in the last week or so, but our main focus is to try to find those coins that are going to do much better than the Bitcoin itself, right? And I think the situation here on the Xmr-Btc is becoming increasingly critical. If you remember, I was following this downside move all the way from the higher section to the lower section, right? And it touched base with the mid-low level. It broke it, right? That that 0.016. And once it broke that level, that was right here, by the way. So I actually expected price to hit one of two levels on the downside and basically probably can reverse. Fully reverse. So I was expecting price to either hit the 2.236, which is this one, or I actually thought that that's more probable, go all the way to the 2.618 and in the way take all the previous lows. Now it may actually still happen, right? The situation here, like I said, becomes critical because price is basically trapped. It did touch base on the first level I was mentioning, right? Just scratching that level and quickly beginning to pull off, but it did not reach too far, did it? It just made it again to the 0.016. Take a look at that. That's really interesting stuff. So price basically trapped between these two levels. So it may actually fail to break through, right? And make it all the way to that second target I was marking. However, I think it is more probable, actually, that price will be successful on that attempt to break. Obviously, yesterday was a failed attempt, right? Left just a little bit of a spike there. But I think it's more than 50% chance that price will actually be successful on the second or third attempt here. Break through that 0.01. Right, and if it's going to be a genuine break, just supported by a weekly close, I would say that we're looking at a very potentially very highly high probability of an upside move, of a buy opportunity. Once price breaks that 0.0168, it should build up a move that has the potential to reach all the way to 0.03. So we're talking about almost 100% of return, potentially speaking, not to mention the fact that it could continue to drill higher all the way to just to take the previous highs, right? The previous two major highs at 0.0360. So I'm really looking forward to see how this one is going to unfold. I'm not going to be surprised if price is going to fail here, which is why I'm not going to pull the trigger, right? So that's going to be our trigger level, plain and simple. Alright, that's about that for the Monero. See you on the next video. Bye bye.